Friends, we'd love to introduce to you our wonderful friend and partner in the Edible Acres world, Juan.
Hello, friends. We would like to share with you this garlic that has come into being under our stewardship. Here it is. And what do you lovely folks have to say about that?
We will be offering our seed garlic for sale. We're excited to offer hardneck this year, beautiful purple skinned softneck, and we have a little bit of elephant garlic, which is ridiculous how big they get. We're asking $13 a pound this year. We've gone up $1 to the more exciting number of 13 per
nice
pound.
Odd number.
It's a nice odd number. So yeah, we've got a lot of garlic we're really excited to offer. We would ask folks if you could be so kind as to hold back from ordering more than 10 pounds at a time of anything so that we can spread out this wonderful seed to as many people as possible. If you head over to our website, we'll put a link in the description and in the comments as well, and that'll bring you over to our garlic page. The rest of our inventory will be updated on the morning of September 1st, but we're going to move the garlic along first and foremost so folks can plant when they're ready to do so.
We've been friends with and working closely with Juan for a lot of years, and yeah, it's just become more real.